Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I've always wanted my own vanity station. And my dream came true with this Mainstay 6-cube white desk. Now, I don't think this was designed originally to be a vanity station, but when I saw it, that's immediately what I thought of. I love the 6-cube storage options. I'm able to put my hair stuff, my makeup, my beanies that I use for when it gets cold here, which is rare, but it does happen. My nail stuff, everything I could possibly need so I don't have to go into the bathroom, because I do share a bathroom not only with my husband, but my niece. So I really loved having a place where I could calmly get ready for the day. I love the look of this, the classic white, the cubes. I'm big into cube storage. And then the opening in between the 3 cubes on each side is perfect for just putting a little stool. I love the length of it, how you can easily just put a vanity mirror, and then I can just put my own little trinkets, the things that I get from anniversary trips or things that my niece gives me, not only as a place where I can get ready, but enjoy the memories from over the years. It's definitely my sanctuary spot, and I absolutely love it. I think if you are wanting a writing desk or a vanity desk like me, I think this is a great option. There's so many places to store everything that you need, and there's a lot of space on top for you to utilize in order to help you accomplish your daily activities. So I think this is a great desk. I love it. It has definitely fulfilled a lifelong dream of mine, and that's my point of view.